Good morning, everybody. How you doing today? My name's Andrew.
I'm Pop-Pop.
I'm Mimi. I'm Taylor.
I'm Aunt Becky.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Kelly. I'm Gatti. Money.
And we're some of the Veggie Boys.
And girls.
And we'd like to thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because we can grow a lot of stuff on the farm, but one thing we can't grow is this channel without your help. You're not where you're supposed to be. Get back in there. Come on. Get back in there. Get back in there. Hey everyone, it's so nice to have you with us. We have got a pretty busy day on our hands. It's actually going to be the busiest day for the farm market all year long. Okay, maybe that last statement was debatable. It can get pretty crazy during canning season, and we just got through Thanksgiving week, which was kind of wild for the farm market. But over the past week, we have put a record number of cookies into our oven, and we have sold almost every single one. And last night leading into this morning was no different. We were baking again and again and again. And let me just show you what we've got in front of us today. These right here are all orders that people have placed for different types of pies, cakes, cookies, and breads.
And all the stuff for the games is good.
I'll have to call you back. You guys want a turkey?
A quick question for Pop-Pop right away this morning. How crazy of a day is it going to be?
Well, it's not too crazy for me, but
Well, just for the farm market.
it'll be a very busy day today.
The girls have got a lot of orders to handle.
Yes, a lot of orders, as long as they don't mess things up.
No,
So,
the girls never mess anything up.
yeah. Oh,
They
it's
never
too
mess-
late already.
Oh, never mind. It's already been messed
9
up.
o'clock this
Uh-oh.
morning and everything's messed up
Uh-oh,
already.
we're in trouble. This is the crew we've got here right now. We've got Taylor, we've got Megan, we've got Aunt Becky, we've got my mama, we've got other girls showing up. It's gonna be it's gonna be really nice for us when we just go down and feed animals.
That's right.
And we find stuff to do down around back, but these are the real champions of today. They're gonna be the real hard workers. So we're gonna just let them to it.
Either one, take a chocolate chip.
Look at that.
You need me to take something?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need more help.
Because we have the tags.
There was extra. Coming through, I got pie.
Duranda.
Everything seems to be going well in the farm market, so we're gonna go get the animals taken care of. That's my next skylight I need to replace. This one's looking a little cloudy, but if I got a new one like what we have over there, ooh, we'd have so much more light. The baskets of eggs are getting heavier and heavier, but with another full basket of eggs pulled out of this pen, these chickens are paying for themselves. Beautiful. Little bit of bugs. Here you go, guys. Goodness. I spilled a couple bugs on myself. I'm sure the chickens would eat them off me. Oh boy. I definitely don't want to fall over with a full basket of eggs, so we're being a little careful on the walk back. One thing I will say is it has started snowing again. It's snowing a little bit harder than it was before. Still looks beautiful. Just be careful out here. It's slippery. You might fall down.
I'm agile.
Unlike me, I was not agile. I was covered in chicken food. there is something beautiful about these cows in the snow, especially with all this snow coming down the way it is. Makes you feel some kind of way. It makes me feel fuzzy. I don't know what to say. I just like it. The only concern I have with the snow is that some of our customers may be cautious when it comes to picking up their stuff today that they had ordered. Usually everybody comes and picks it up, but that's why we have tomorrow yet. People can still come tomorrow. It's not going to be snowing tomorrow, and hopefully the snow will be off the roads by then. As of right now, it's no longer deer season, but Dad and I were standing here talking, and there are 3 deer down here in the hollow. Just relaxing. That's the way hunting season seems to go sometimes, you know? Can't find them, and then all of a sudden, they're just there. Oh well, next time, next time. I don't like to go into too much depth when it comes to hunting. I had a couple people asking how we did for hunting season. We did really well. The family's gonna have plenty of meat, which is the #1 thing we're looking forward to. Not only do we enjoy using the meat for different types of meals, another thing that we try and do here on the farm is just mitigate the amount of crop damage that we'll have going into next year. And as you guys have seen from the year of 2025 that we had just gone through, probably the #1 theme was crop damage, I'd have to say. Never had that much crop damage in my life. Most of it was from raccoons, skunks, and deer. Occasional bear damage, occasional bird damage. Bad year for crop damage. So we try and hunt a little bit to mitigate that. Not only to fill our freezers, but to just try and cut down on the damage we receive. Relax, I'm not doing anything. I'm just bedding up your pen. My big babies. What? It's funny, every single one of these that have come through here have all been fed from a bucket. We fed them by hand, and now look at the size of them. Just massive. Yeah, I see ya. It's like muscle memory to look back, but I've got a backup mirror. I gotta remember that. I'm on the ice. I just gotta wait for Dad to get over here so I don't drop the straw bale on the cattle. They're just standing there waiting. They're like, oh, what is this? You enjoying your purple cabbage? We had some leftover purple cabbage up in our freezer. And look at this. Just extra snack for the cattle. He's loving on that Savoy. There's a few pieces of equipment that are like really nice here on the farm. One of my favorite pieces of equipment is our round baler. Look at the center of this bale. This bale was wound so tight that all the way to the very center of the bale, and it's still unraveling. That is awesome. That is awesome. That round baler, I mean, that has paid for itself already between all the round bales we've done for hay, the round bales we've done for straw, the alfalfa, the clover, the timothy, all the grass hays that we've done for the horses. Yeah, round baler, really nice. I recommend ours. Well, I'll tell you what, Dad, on a snowy, cold winter day, it's nice to have a nice warm place to lay down.
Yep, that's
And now all the cattle have a nice place to lay down. This is good. Let's just hope they stay out of the weather today.
They're standing out in the snow.
Yeah, they're snow animals. What are we gonna do? Beep, 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 out the way, out the way. Before Dad and I decided to head up into the farm market, we wanted to get an entire box full of eggs, and now we've got that. Right when we got finished up, Daniel brought down some apple peels. They were working on peeling some apples so Grammy could make apple pies, and I think the chickens definitely could use a little snack. There you go, ladies. Enjoy your apple spaghetti. Pulling some more pies out of the oven. We've got some cherry pies here, and we've got apple crust, apple crumb, and then we've got cherry crumb and cherry crust. For lunch today, we've got something special. We've got chipped venison, chipped cream venison, and then we've also got some deer meat in here. We've got some squash. Oh, it's gonna be good. Very, very nice. I got the chickens all bed up and I've got the calves now all bed up. The pens are looking really, really nice. It's warmed up enough here on the farm that the snow has switched over to rain and it's pretty damp out there. So I wanted to make sure that the chickens, the calves, and all our animals had plenty of dry space to lay down. Now, because it has warmed up a little bit, the farm market has gotten busier as well, which is a good thing. So we're gonna head up into the farm market and help out as much as possible. Busy, busy, busy. Oh, wow, Callie, come here. Look at you with your bows. Wow. I love your bows, Callie. They're beautiful. You're welcome. And how are you, Ronnie?
That's fine.
You doing good? Hey, everyone. As you can all see, we are now home, and it is just about dinner time, so that means this is where we're going to be ending the video. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.